Hi friends, today I am going to show you how you can make coco peat at home easily. Coco peat can be used in many ways in gardening, from seed germination to soil medium. We use coco peat. We generally use in hanging basket to make the soil lightweight, soft and well drained. I have taken 7 to 8 pieces of coco peat husk that I have extracted from one coconut so that you can guess how much coco peat you can get from the shell of one coconut. And I also need a comb or a brush like this. So we often buy this product from market and this is sold as a cocoa brick in market, but you can make it at home easily if you follow these following steps that I am going to show you today. So just take a comb or a brush and rub it on the soft shell. And now you can see the dust which comes out of the soft shell is coco peat. The rest is cocoa fiber that you can also use to cover the drainage hole of a pot or in mulching. So I'll continue this step with the rest of the pieces. Okay, I have taken out all the cocoa peat from the husks. Now I will add some water to it. Now you can see it is absorbing the water and expanding by itself. So I'll keep that everything exactly as it is for one day. It helps to take the salt out from the cocoa peat. So now I'll extract the water from the cocoa peat by squeezing it, and I'll keep it in a container. I've taken a small hanging basket to store it. You can take any bowl or a container. Now I'll keep it under the sun for one day to let it dry, then I can use it. So this is a very easy process of making cocoa peat at home. I hope it helps, but still if you have any questions regarding this topic, you can ask me on the comment sections. So that's it for today guys. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you. Thanks for watching it.